Hello students, welcome to science class. Today's portion, new lesson number 2, our food. Okay, lesson number 2, our food. Food is a basic need of all living things. Yes or no? Okay, food is a basic need of all living things. Then food gives us energy. Okay, food gives us energy to work and play. Food gives us energy to work and play. Then we get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. We get different kinds of food from plants and animals. Some food items we get from plants and some food items we get from animals. Then food items that we get from plants, examples are vegetables, fruits, these type of food items we get from plants. Then egg, meat, milk, butter, that type of food items we get from animals. So food is a basic need of all living things. Then food gives us energy to work and play. Then three main types of food that are, first one is body building food. Then second one is energy giving food. And third one is protective food. Okay, then three main types of food, which are the energy giving food, then body building food and protective food. These are the three main type of food. Then next one is methods of cooking. Then some food items we can eat without cooking. Okay, then example, carrot, cucumber, radish, that type of food items. Okay, then some food that must be cooked before eating. Okay, some food items you must be cooked before eating. Then examples, fish, then grains. Okay, different types of grains, that rice, wheat, that type of grains, no? Okay. Then some food items we eat without cooking. That examples, carrot, cucumber, that fruits and vegetables, tomato, that type of vegetables. Then some food items must be cooked before eating. Okay, examples, fish, grains, that pulses. Okay. Then why do we cook food? Why do we cook food? Okay, cooking kill germs and they makes food soft and easy to digest. Okay, cooking kill germs and makes food. Cooking kill germs and makes food soft and easy to digest. Okay, why do we cook food? Cooking kill germs and makes food soft and easy to digest. It increases taste and smell also. Okay, it increases taste and smell also. Why do we cook food? Once more, cooking kills germs and make food soft and easy to digest and increases taste and smell also. What are the different methods of cooking? First one is frying. Then main ingredient is which one? Oil. Then puri, samosa, that type of food items are examples for fried food items. What is frying? Then it is a method of cooking raw food to enhance the flavor by submerging them in the oil. Then it is a method of cooking raw food to enhance. What is the meaning of enhance? To increase. Increase the flavor. Flavor means taste. By submerging them in the oil. Keep them in the oil. Okay. Frying is a method of cooking raw food to enhance the flavor by submerging them in the oil. Then example, puri, samosa, that type of fried food items. Okay. Then enhance means to increase and flavor means taste. By submerging them, keep them in oil. Okay. Then second method is boiling. Second method is boiling. In this method, boiling is a method of cooking food in boiling water. Okay. Boiling is a method of cooking in food in boiling water. Then example, in the preparation of rice, boiled rice. Okay. Take one vessel, then put some water, then boil water. After wash the grains, rice grains, then put it in this water. Then after 1 hour, we get boiled rice. Yes or no? Your mama prepared in this way, no? Okay. Okay. Then boiling is a method of cooking food in boiling water. Then one more thing. Boiling is the healthiest way of cooking. Yes or no? Boiling is the healthiest way of cooking because it softens the food and make oil free food. Okay. At the same time, this food is oil free. Okay. Then third one is steaming. Third method is steaming. Your amma making idli and put no, that time the batter convert in the form of idli with the help of steam. Okay, with the help of steam. Idli batter changes into which form? In the form of idlis with the help of steam. Okay, it is a method of cooking food over boiling water. Okay, it is a method of cooking food over boiling water. Then take one vessel, put some water, then put another vessel that has some holes. Then idli batter changes into which form? Which form? In the form of idlis with the help of steam. Okay, steaming is a method of cooking food over boiling water. Then example, idli and pot. Okay. Next method is baking. Next method is baking. What is baking? It's a method of cooking in which food items are cooked in an oven at very high temperature. With the help of oven at very high temperature, this type of method is known as baking. Then what do you mean by baking? It is a method of cooking in which food items are cooked in an oven at very high temperature. Then examples, cakes, biscuits, that type of food items, no? Cakes, then biscuits, that are examples of baked food items. Okay. Then once more, it is a baking the cooked in an oven at high temperature. Then example, cakes, biscuits, that type of food items. Then next one is roasting. Next method is roasting. Then it is a method in which food items are cooked over an open flame or using dry heat in an oven. Okay. It is a method in which food items are cooked over in an open flame or using dry heat in an oven. For one example, barbecue, no? How we can prepare barbecue? Cooked over an open flame or using dry heat in an oven. Okay. Then examples, paneer tikka, then grilled vegetables. Okay. grilled vegetables. These are examples for roasted food items. Okay, then once more, baking. Food items are cooked in an oven at very high temperature. Then examples, cake, biscuits, that type of food items. Then next one is roasting. Roasting food items are cooked over an open flame or using dry heat in an oven. Then examples, that barbecue, then paneer tikka, that grilled vegetables. Okay, these are examples. Okay, what are the different methods of cooking? Frying, then boiling, steaming, baking and roasting. These are the 5 methods of cooking. Why do we cook food? Cooking kills germs and makes the food very soft and easy to digest, and it increases smell and taste also. Then different methods of cooking. Frying examples. Frying examples, or puri, samosa, okay, that type of food items. Second one is boiling examples, boiled rice, tea, coffee. Okay, then third one is steaming examples, preparation of idli, put, that type of food items. Then baking examples, cakes and biscuits. Then roasting examples, and barbecue, then paneer tikka, then grilled vegetables. These are examples. Okay, thank you.